You are the first person in your lineage to heal this much. This is not about you being kind, you being compassionate, you letting love lead the way. This is not about all that. This is about the level of acceptance that you are on. The level of acceptance that you are on is top notch. I would say you are so unbothered. You are you are so unbothered about what people say. You are so unbothered about what they do. Things that used to bother you in the past. Some of you actually have been moving this way, but this is way even much like you have graduated to a higher level of whatever it was. Like if you were someone that was unbothered, you have graduated to even a higher frequency of that. It's like the universe has put you in positions where people really have really talked even more. They've put you in positions where you have to get hurt, but there is a way you handle things. There is a way you see things. In that, the same people that are being used by the universe also sit and just watch and I don't know, don't believe that there is someone like you who actually sees things the way you see them. You are the first person that has their throat chakra opened because you speak your truth. You are the first person in your lineage that hasn't feared to live your truth. You haven't feared at all. It's like people in your lineage, people in your family. They know exactly what to do. They know that they know this whole spiritual thing. They know about spirituality. They know everything, but they are scared to lose people around them. It's like the entire week I was getting they are people pleasing. It could be your parents, it could be your siblings, whoever. They're still people pleasing. They still don't want to lose these church friends they've had or whatever community they're in right now. But then there is you. There is you who is not scared to live your truth. This is something that used to bother them in the first place, but now they are also learning to just watch you. They are learning to let you be because they now know you are no longer pretending. You're not pretending. They are accepting the truth of who you are slowly by slowly. It's gonna take some time, of course. It's not gonna be like they're gonna fully accept you, especially if they are so religious. They're not gonna accept you immediately or even ever, but it is taking them some time. Like it is not the same as it was in the beginning. I, I've been seeing that you are going to be that ancestor that is going to be named, like your name is gonna go down in the history of your lineage, of your generation. You are going to be that ancestor that is going to be worshipped, not because you want to be worshipped, but because you have healed, you have done the work, and it shows itself to the people around you that this person is actually healed. There is things you have gone through, and someone else could have gotten so angry and bitter, and they could have, I don't know, taken things a different way. They could have reacted in a different way. But there is a way you have learned to be calm in every situation. You have learned to see things for what they are. Like, this too shall pass. This is me in alignment. I am in sync with the universe. The affirmations that you say to yourself do not make sense to the people around you, to the people that know you. They think you are actually either already crazy or delusional, like I've already said, because how could you lose all this money and say, oh, it's because I'm in sync with the universe, or it's because I'm in alignment. They don't understand that. And that is what makes you different. That is what makes you a healed person. And you are that person that even if you are a parent, your children do not fear you. They respect you, they love you, but they do not fear you. The way you used to fear your parents or your guardians, like, because they know you move in love. They know you nurture them, but you haven't passed trauma onto them. You haven't treated them the way you were treated. You haven't done the same things that your parents did because their parents did. You haven't continued that cycle. You ended that cycle. The cycle of shouting at them and scaring them and hoping them all the time. It's an example. You have actually let them be. You have actually taught them the reality of life and allow them to be who they are. You are guiding them as spirits, as souls, not just as human beings. Something about you is going to be written down in history because, damn, you are really, like I said I would never say chosen one, but for you, you are chosen. You were chosen for this, and you have played your role very well. You are you are not just an awakened soul. You are so very divine. You are an angel. You are amazing. The weather is changing the more I speak about this. Confirmation. Confirmation. Let me show you around what's happening. You see, it's a confirmation. You are truly divine. And your ancestors are celebrating you. This is what is happening right now. Your ancestors, your spirit team is celebrating you for allowing yourself to be different, to heal, because you have not only healed yourself, you have healed your entire lineage, people that were there before you. Even the ones that are here with you right now in this reality are healing because of you. They are learning to be free. They are learning, even when they don't want to show you, they are doing it. They are doing it. You have set a new path for people that are going to come after you, especially your children and the children after them. You have made a clear way, a better foundation, a divine foundation. And for that, you are going to be celebrated forever and ever. Even if you incarnate, if it happens, you are going to come back to a very clear, beautiful, divine, amazing, solid foundation that cannot be shaken without trauma because you have done the healing. So continue this path. Don't let anything make you go away from this path. Continue healing because it's a journey. There is always things that are going to come your way and try to, throw you off this path. But don't let anything put you in that position because you are actually doing good. Very, very, very excellent. 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 I don't know why I'm repeating myself, but yeah, excellent. Um, thank you. Thank you for being who you are. Thank you for the way that I did it again. Thank you for doing your thing. Thank you for loving yourself. Thank you for celebrating yourself. Thank you for loving people for who they are. Thank you for forgiving yourself and other people. Thank you for all that. This this is what your ancestors wanted because I'm hearing this is what we wanted. This is what we needed. This is what we want forever. Thank you for allowing yourself to be used by the Most High Mother and Father, by Holy Spirit. Continue moving like this. Continue walking this path. Continue. I don't know what to say anymore, but I love you. I love you. I love you. I'm sending so much love. You deserve all the good things that are coming your way. Blessings.